If you've had problems with plantar fasciitis, we're going to go over the one intervention that you're probably not being told about and that you need to know about at home. So when you wind up having plantar fasciitis, there is a significant possibility that there could be a leg length inequality. So leg length inequalities occur in about 37% of individuals. Now, what a leg length inequality means is that one leg grew faster and longer than the other leg. And it leaves you with an imbalance up at the pelvis, which we're showing you right now. There's been a correlation between pelvic leg length inequality and plantar fasciitis that's been shown to be correct again and again. I just was reading another new paper on it last week. What we're looking at here is, on the left, an individual with a leg length inequality, and they actually were having problems with plantar fasciitis for the last 2 years. They had tried to do some physical therapy, they had tried to do some personal work at home, but there was nothing that was helping it. They finally came to our office and we realized that they had a leg length inequality. Now, this was contributing to wear and tear on one side of the foot more than on the other. We used some unique and different methods to wind up shifting and restoring balance to the leg length inequality, which you can see on the right side. And that wound up over a 3-week period, reducing the inflammation in her foot because it was moving properly again, and she no longer had that plantar fasciitis. If you or someone you know has had problems with plantar fasciitis, make sure to share this video with them. If you need help with finding someone who can do this analysis for you, feel free to comment on below, and I'll do my best to find someone near you that can wind up helping. I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I've been helping people to change their lives and live the best life they can for the last 20 years. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for letting me be a part of your health.